Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is centroid of an area, round 2. Let's get straight into it. Okay, one of these is more than likely what you're going to see. So, it will be y is equal to 2x squared and y is equal to x plus 3. Alright, so what our graph will look like basically, our graph, what that'll look like is something like this. Okay, now what we need to do is work out our intersection points between there and there. Right, so what you need to know is both y's equal each other. So 2x squared equals x plus 3. So all we need to do is move x plus 3 over to the other side. So it becomes 2x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, and our factorization will be, when we factorize this, it'll 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. Let's make sure that this is correct. What we're going to do is go 2x minus 3, x plus 1. So 2x times x is 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 3. Okay, so 2x squared minus x minus 3. And that gives us our answer. Okay, so we are good. Now we know for our x-intercept, that this will be 2x minus 3 equals 0. So 2x equals 3 divided by 2 divided by 2, x equals 3 over 2. And x plus 1 equals 0, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, these are the only points that we need. Yes, the only points we will need. You can do your y as well, but it's not necessary. All you have to do is just get your x coordinates, because we're dealing with x. So x1 is 1, 5, and x2 equals negative 1. Alright, so first things first, we're going to denote the area. Area equals, with dA equals y1 minus y2. And it's just an area, so it's dx. So it's just an area. Okay, so what we're going to do next is say x plus 3 minus 2x squared. integral of 1 comma 5 and minus 1. Okay. Dx, which equals x is x squared over 2 plus 3x minus 2 over 3 x cubed 1 comma 5 and minus 1. Okay, now we've integrated. We're just looking for the area. So now what we're going to do is integrate x squared, which is 1 comma 5 squared over 2 plus 3 times 1 comma 5 minus 2 over 3 1 comma 5 cubed minus a bracket minus 1 squared over 2 plus 3 times minus 1 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 cubed. Okay, so now we've put all this in the calculator. Put all this in your calculator and you get equals 5,208 meters units squared. Okay. (5,208). So dA is equal to 5,208. Right, you write that in the corner. Write this in the corner, your answer, because you will need that answer later. This is very, very important. Now, what we have is we are going to do a MOX. It's y1 plus y2 all over 2 dA. Right, now we know dA, this will be x plus 3 plus 2x all over 2 minus, or multiplied by x plus 3 minus 2x squared. That is our MAMOX. That is our AMOX. So now what we have to do is integrate. But before we integrate, we have to put them all together. We have to put them all together before we can integrate. So what we have is x plus 3 plus 2x multiplied by x plus 3 minus 2x squared. 2x plus, yeah. Now, what we have to do is we have to multiply trinomials together. Okay, now we're multiplying trinomials together because it is a multiplication, so we are going to multiply trinomials together. So, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x minus 2x cubed. Okay, now the third one. Plus 3x plus 9 minus 6x squared. Okay, 2x times x is plus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x to the power 4. Okay, so what we have now is, let's put all the x squareds together. We have an x squared, a minus 6x, so that's minus a minus x squared plus a 6x squared, they cancel off. A 3x and a 3x makes 6x, so we've got x squared plus 6x. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone. Minus 2 plus 2, that goes away. What we're left with is 9 plus 9 minus 4x to the 4. Okay, so now, and this is all correct. So now, what we need to do is divide all this by 2. And we divide all this by 2. So we take x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 4x to the 4 divided by 2. Integrate 1, 5 and minus 1. And the easiest way to solve this problem, easiest possible way to do this, is to just take the half, the divided by 2, and make it into a half, and move the half outside. The easiest way to solve this. So it's a half integral of 1, 5 and minus 1, x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 4x to the 4. Okay, so let's integrate. We got a half x squared is x cubed over 3 plus 6x is 3x squared plus 9x minus 4 over 5 x to the 5. That's 1, 5 and minus 1. Okay. Now, what we have to do, all we have to do is to put in our values. So it'll be a half times 1, 5 cubed over 3 plus 3 times 1, 5 squared plus 9 times 1, 5 minus 4 over 5 times 1, 5 to the 5th power minus, because it always has to be a minus, so it is minus 1 cubed over 3 plus 3 times minus 1 squared plus 9 times minus 1 minus 4 over 5 times minus 1 to the 5th. And if we put all this in a calculator, we will get our AMOX, which will equal 10,417 units cubed. So AMOX equals 10,417. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so AMOY equals X times DA dx. Okay, so what that in essence means is that we have the integral of 1, 5 and minus 1. So it's X times dA, which is these two minus each other. So it is X plus 3 minus 2x squared dx. Alright, all we have to do now is just put this in. So we have the integral of 1, 5 minus 1. So we have the integral of x squared plus 3x minus 2x cubed. Okay, so what we have now let's integrate. X squared is x cubed over 3 plus 3x, which is 3 over 2x squared minus 2 over 4 is a half. So it's a half x cubed. Okay. Half x to the 4, sorry. Now 1, 5 and minus 1. Okay. So we pretty much see the pattern going on here. So we can pretty much see the pattern of all this. So, now put in our value, 1, 5 to the cube over 3 plus 3 over 2 times 1, 5 squared minus 1 half 1, 5 to the power 4 minus minus 1 cubed over 3 plus 3 over 2 times minus 1 squared minus a half times minus 1 to the 4th. And once you put all this in your calculator, you will have equals 1, 302 units cubed. So A M O Y equals 1,302. Okay. All my answers are laid out here for a reason. And that reason I will show you right now. So, what we want now is to delete all this. What we want right now is to delete this. And then we are left with the final things. So, X bar is equal to A M O Y over A, and Y bar is equal to A M O X over A. You see why I needed A M O Y and A. There's A M O X, and A M O Y. That is why I needed all these. So it was long and tedious, but we got there. Right, so A M O Y is X bar equals 1,302 over 5,208. Y bar is equal to 10,417 over 5,208. X bar equals 0,25 units, and Y bar is equal to 2 units. Alright, now all I have to do is that basically what we have done this entire sum is we're looking for the centroid of this. So where in the world is the centroid? You're looking at the graph and saying, alright, where's the centroid of that graph between those 2 points? So we use mathematics to discover its centroid. Okay, so this is its centroid. Whenever you're dealing with X bar or Y bar, that means it's a centroid. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.